everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am here to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for November 24th through Saturday the November 30th. Now, when I shared with you guys the Black Friday ad, I thought the Black Friday ad was a joke, but I am truly happy with this ad, you guys. This ad, we're going to be getting a lot of registry rewards. I didn't see anything with points, but I am seeing a lot of registry rewards deals and a lot of money makers. So I'm going to just walk through you guys the ad on this, but I think it is a great week for couponing. I'm going to be swamped this week, but I plan on making multiple trips to do these deals because I am so excited for this week's ad. So right there on the front page, you guys, here it says you get a 25% off coupon when you spend $25 or more. That basically is a Catalina that will print off for that, if you guys want to go ahead and get that. One time I was at the store and this guy was having a fit because it didn't print off while the machine was down. So make sure you guys' machines are working if you guys do know what works, but they will be printing off a Catalina for that. But here you got gifts of the week. They got slippers for $6.50. I actually like that. My stepdad said he wanted some slippers for Christmas, so I'm going to definitely check those out and get him a pair of slippers, especially for $6.50. They have a number 7 mirror for $20, and then they have a Reese's holiday mug for $4.99, which is kind of cool if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Now here is a great deal right here. The toys are buy 2, you get 2 free. The ones that are priced at $6.99. So you guys would pay $13.98 for 4 toys. They come out to be $3.49 a piece. So if you guys want to do toys for tots, or if you guys need to use some points up, or you need registry rewards to use, that is a great way to do it. And my store has, the one I go to on Sunday, has some awesome presents. Toys for kids, so I might go back and get some more toys for the kids, so we'll see about that. They have all soda or pop, 3 for $9.99, making them $3.33 a piece, which is still a better deal than what I've seen at certain places. But if you guys need to get that, you know, for Thanksgiving or whatever. Now we do have pistachios for $5.99. They do have a no shells from 5.5 to 7 ounces. Now for that size, we have a $1 off coupon off the 10-13 Smart Source. So you guys can get a bag of that for $4.99, which could be a pretty good deal if you want to do that. They have the Scott's paper products for $5, and then there is a $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Plus we also have printables that you guys can use also, so it just depends on what you guys can get. But the lowest you can pretty much get it is maybe $3 or $3.25, but hey, it's still a pretty good deal. Purex is $1.99. So yeah, lots of deals just on the front page. Okay, now here is an awesome deal, you guys. I have not seen a deal like this in a long time. So the Herbal Essence and the Head and Shoulders are $5.99. Now, you guys can mix and match this, but with the coupons, you cannot. But I recommend just doing them in separate transactions. So basically, we are getting a 5 off of 2 coupon in this week's, or in this Sunday's P&G. So you guys would end up paying, or get it for $11.98. You get that 5 off of 2 coupon. You would pay $6.98 for 2 of them, but then you guys will get a $5 registry reward, making them $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. I love it, you guys. I haven't seen Head and Shoulders for 99 cents a piece in a very, very, very long time. So that is a deal I like to get. So definitely go ahead and do that deal if you guys really like that. They have candles, buy 1, you get 2 free, so you can get 3 of them for $9.99, comes out to be $3.33 a piece. Kellogg's cereal is $1.99, there's going to be a 50-cent online coupon. Now the Soap and Glory and the number 7 are buy 1, get 1 50% off. It's up to you guys what you want. Glasses are buy 1, get 2 free. Vitamins, buy 1, get 1 free. Now here we got some food deals. Nothing's really popping out at me on here, but I did see one deal that I'm going to share with you guys when I get to it. So I did see the club crackers are 2 for $5. Now we do have a $1 off of 2 coupon in the 11-10 retail may not. You guys would end up getting 2 boxes of crackers for $4. Plus, I made a video with you guys for about like maybe a little less than a month ago on to get free movies with the Kellogg's Rewards program. So definitely go ahead, buy those 2 boxes for $4 and you guys can get a free digital movie. It is A Christmas Story, Elf, or National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. I actually did one of those deals already, but I definitely want to go ahead and do that for $4 with crackers, and we'll be having parties in a couple weeks, so those are great for the party. And then I got some digital movies to watch, so super excited for that deal. Here, this is a Black Friday item that I actually did see in the ad, but they are $5.99. It says there's going to be an online coupon for $2 off, so you guys can get them for $3.99. I think that is a great gift deal. It looks like it's like a 3-pack of peanuts and then one's like a holiday tin. I think that's a great deal. I wish we could get more of those, but I'm definitely going to try to do that deal, and I'm hoping maybe the coupon resets again on Black Friday since it did show it in the Black Friday ad. We will see, but I'm really excited for that deal because those make great gift items, okay? I did miss one deal and I think I have to go back. Yeah, so the equal is buy one, get one free. I can't remember the price on that, but we do have $1.50 off of one and then $9.8 retail me not. So if you guys need to go ahead and, you know, get some equal, go ahead and do that. Lots of candy deals, nothing really popping out at me that I see that we have coupons for. I know that I think there was a coupon for this. I don't remember. I think it was on coupons.com. It's the Pharaoh Golden Gallery. If you guys need to go ahead and do that. Now they do have the nice bags and the trash, small trash bags. Buy one at $2.79, you get 2 free. So they come out to be 93 cents for all 3 items. They also have aluminum foil and paper plates for 99 cents with that coupon. You just have them scan the ad if you guys want to go ahead and do that. The aluminum foil is awesome. I mean, for 99 cents, that's a great price. Dawn dish soap is $9.99, and then the Tide is $4.99. Now, I am going to give you guys a heads up. The fall rebate is no longer good anymore, so they probably have a winter one. I haven't heard anything about it, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. Picture deals, there's going to be definitely some picture deals coming up. I'll post them as I see them, but I'm going to try to share with you guys on that. But they do have Christmas card photos. If you guys do Christmas cards for 60% off, I think that's a great deal. So I'm going to try to order my Christmas cards. Netflix, Hulu, everything. So what I'm going to actually do this time is I'm going to buy 2 Netflix gift cards. I've had Netflix as long as I've been with my husband, and I've been with my husband going on 13 years. I've been with him since December 1st. We were officially dating. But what you guys can do is you can buy 2 $15 Netflix gift cards. Now I'm going to start doing this because this is cheaper for me to do it this way than them just to charge my credit card. But you would spend $30 for 2 Netflix gift cards, but then you guys will get a $10 Walgreens gift card to use. So it's basically $10 per gift card, which I think is a great deal. So I'm going to try to do that because I think that's a pretty good deal, and you just put the gift cards right onto your Netflix account. Hulu, it looks like it's $25. I don't know if it's any cheaper than $25, but there's that. Now they have the toys again. Buy 2, you get 2 free. Awesome deal. Some other toys are 20% off, and then they got other toys 25% off. More gifts. Buy one, get one 50% off. Christmas stuff, buy one, get one 50% off. More buy one, get one 50% off. They got some socks for $1, other things from $3, and some Christmas items for $1 from $1.99. Now we are going to the personal care products. Nothing's really popping out at me for this. Yeah, nothing's just really hot, but there is some great deals coming up with toothpaste. I'm going to share with you guys on that. Some more personal care products, nothing really big, but here they got Colgate Toothpaste. Now, I can't remember if we are getting inserts for them, but I do know there was some printable $1 off coupons that we had from coupons.com last Sunday. So you guys want to use 2 of those $1 off coupons, if you guys can do that. You would pay $3.98 for Colgate with those $2 off coupons. but then you guys will get a $5 registry reward, making it a $2 moneymaker. Now, you can do as many of these deals as you want. You just have to do them in separate transactions. But if you do a Crest deal, a Colgate deal, a Herbal Essence deal, whatever, you can do it all in one transactions, and it'll print multiple different registry rewards. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. Now we got Crest Toothpaste. Now those are going to be $2.99. We are getting $2 off coupons in this Sunday's P&G. So you guys would end up getting 2 of them for $1.98 you would pay. But then you guys will get a $4 registry reward, making it a $2.02 moneymaker, you guys. Great deal on toothpaste, so that makes up for it when we do pay out of pocket for toothpaste, I'm just saying. Venus razors are $7.99. We're getting $2 off coupons, making them $5.99. You guys will get a $3 off registry reward, making the final price $2.99. Not the greatest deal, but in case you guys need to go ahead, and get some razors, definitely go ahead and do that deal. They got some Oral-B. If you guys spend $45 or more, you get 20,000 points. So that basically comes to be $25 for these. Plus we're getting $5 off online coupons, and then we're also getting, I think, coupons in the paper. So you guys might get some good deals with that. We'll have to check and see what our inserts are. Here we're going to the vitamins. Buy one, get one free. Yeah, all that stuff right there. More items, hauls, buy one, get one 50% off. And then now we're almost to the last page. Nothing's really popping out, but here is the last page. Now they have the hydrogen peroxide, the Walgreens brand, 2 for $1 with that coupon, so you guys can get them for 50 cents. And then they also have a deal going on where you guys can get regularly priced items for 25% off. So basically you would just type in take 25 and you can get 25% off regular priced items. But yes, I just wanted to share with you guys on this upcoming week's Walgreens ad. It is going to be a great week. I haven't been this excited to shop at Walgreens in a very long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.